Hi guys and welcome to Clicksvilla. So today we are going to see this USB braided Type-C cable, its unboxing, and also I am going to show you its performance in real life by testing it on Poco F1. So let's get started. So here we have this MI braided USB Type-C cable which comes in its packing. So I have purchased this cable from in-store. I have not bought it online. So I have got this for approximately like 350 rupees. So here you can see its specification. So I have got it at discount of 50 rupees. It is generally available at 400 rupees, but I have got it for 350 rupees. So when we open this box, we can see that we have only cable, no any description leaflet is provided here. So now let's see this cable. You can see that it is having a very good finish and the end tips are like leather finish. So the main advantage of braided cable is that it is durable than our normal cable and it is also tangle free. So it will not get tangled, and also you can see its quality. I'll just zoom in. So they have said that it is having a sturdy design and also it can be used to lift weights, but I don't know whether I'll not try that. So now what I'll do is I'll check its battery, how quickly it charges my Poco F1. So now let's start. So here I have this Poco F1 at 9% battery and I have just plugged in the charger. So now let's wait for 45 minutes and then check its battery. So now here you can see that its battery is at 88%. So it supports fast charging. So do let me know what you think about this braided cable. Thank you. Also please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.